Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have LookFantastic's beauty box for July. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So July's LookFantastic beauty box just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, LookFantastic, for sending me your box to review. I greatly do appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get in here. Now, last month they had that different bag, the teal bag that I absolutely loved. And in that video, I said, I don't know if that's what they're gonna be doing from this point forward, or if it was just like a special edition for that month. So now we're going to be able to see what it is this month. So I didn't want to open this box yet, so we can find out together. Wow, it's the box again, which is fine because I use those too, but I'm so glad I got that bag last month, let me tell you. So let's go ahead and get this box out. Okay, so that is what it looks like on the inside, which this looks like a nicer actual box and it looks bigger. So I like that because I definitely use these for storage. And especially these, I can put like my vinyl on the side and say what it is if I have certain stickers or whatever I have saved in them in my craft area or wherever I have them. So I love these boxes. So let's go ahead and get inside. So it says LookFantastic Beauty Box. And it says, to all our lovely beauty box customers, we hope that you love all the products in this box. With everything that is going on at the moment, we have decided to make all beauty box edits in digital form for the unforeseen future. Don't worry, we will bring back the printed version as soon as we possibly can. In the meantime, keep an eye out for your beauty box emails, which will have a link for you to click through and read the magazine online. So if you do get this, you will be able to get a link sent to you by email so you can check everything out digitally. And then soon they'll be back in the boxes. So that's what it looks like when you open it up. Let's remove the tissue paper. If I can make this any more awkward. There we go. Oh, there we go. And there we go. Ah, there we go. That's what it looks like on the inside. So let's go ahead and see what we have. So the first thing right here is going to be a Konjac charcoal sponge. And I'm now finally getting into these, and I never knew what they were before. I just used one and now I really like these. So this is the Konjac sponge charcoal, and that's what it looks like right there. If you can see through the back here, let's open this so you can see the full one. So it's a big one. It's a bigger one than I normally get, so I like that. So you do have the little hangy thing so you can hang it, and then here is the full size. I had to smell it. Kind of smells clean, but that's what it looks like. It's a big one. I like that because then you can hold it and just, woo, that looks like that's going to be a nice one. I like that size. So we have that guy right there, which I'm really excited about. Next we have is a Multitask eye serum mask, and there's that. So you get one eye mask. I like to put my eye masks on and maybe even a lip mask and then put my sheet mask over it because then it kind of helps hold everything in place. Just a little tip of what I do. Next we have, this says Balance Me Vitamin C Repair Serum. So you have a vitamin C serum, a face serum. Now we have is a cream gel multi-correction. It says that it's a boost. What do you do with this? It says apply in the morning to the face and neck. So it's just like, oh, so it's like a face serum applied to your face and your neck, like a little moisture. So there's that. Now we have is the same brand. This is Insta Mask Exfoliant. It says offer gift. And let's see what this guy is. Instant mask. And it says, do I have instructions? Let's see, it says use on face 1 to 2 times per week, 2 minutes, massage, and then rinse. Ooh, it smells like rose. It smells like rose, but it is completely full. And so here is that guy right there. So these two are the same exact brands. You get to try 2 products from that brand, which that's nice. And then this right here says Aqua. It's a botanical soap. Okay. So there's that package. And let's see what this is all about on the inside. And then we still have another item in here. Ooh, it smells nice and ooh, that smells good. Wow, that smells really good. And it does have the logo engraved on it, and that is the size of the bar. But wow, that smells really good. I like that. So there's that guy. And then the last item is Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. And there's that guy right there. Nice little pretty pink color, especially going into summer. That's a really nice color. So that is everything that came in this month's beauty box for July. We have the lip cream. We have the charcoal konjac sponge. We have this amazing smelling soap bar. We have a vitamin C repair serum. We have this serum, which is like a correcting cream gel. And then you have this gel to put on your face. And then you have the eye mask. I think that's a really decent box. I love the colors. I like the box, very summery. There you have it. So if you want to know a little bit more about LookFantastic, this box is only $19 per month, you guys. You get free delivery. If you do a 3-month plan, it brings it to $18 a month. If you do a 6-month plan, it brings it to $17 a month. And if you go big or go home and you do the whole 12 months, it brings it to $16 per month with the free shipping. Choose from 1, 3, 6, or 12 months rolling subscription plan with a free international delivery. Monthly billing, your subscription will auto-renew at the end of your chosen subscription period. You can opt out at any time. Receive a curated collection of 6 beauty products with a guaranteed worth of over $60. A beauty experience that covers cult favorites to trending beauty brands. Discover the LookFantastic box today. So I will have them linked below if you would like to check them out. Definitely check them out. Let me know what you thought of this box. What did you think of the items that came in this box? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.